Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm going to show you how to change your ringtone for the BlackBerry Curve 8330 for your text messages. First you go to the profiles. Go to the profiles, where it says loud and all that. Then you go down to advanced. You click advanced, and then you see loud, and you press this button, the menu button. See? That's my ringtone for the messages. So you click this button, and then you click edit. Then you go down to SMS text, and then here's where you change it to which ringtone and stuff. See ringtone and tune and stuff, and you click this. Make sure this is the tone, not vibe and tone, because that won't work. But this works. Then you go to all your ringtones and stuff. So then that's how you change your SMS text on the BlackBerry Curve 8330.